Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain an example on user datagram protocol. Though the example seems to be theoretical, numerical calculations are involved in this based on the UDP datagram and the IP datagram, because UDP datagram is encapsulated in IP datagram at the network layer. The questions which we are asked to answer are: what is the minimum size of a UDP datagram? What is the maximum size of a UDP datagram? What is the minimum size of the process data that can be encapsulated in a UDP datagram? What is the maximum size of the process that can be encapsulated in a UDP datagram? To answer these questions, we should know the UDP datagram structure and the IP datagram structure. Now, let us see what is the UDP datagram. UDP user datagram has got header followed by the data. The header is of fixed size having 8 bytes and the data can be 65535 minus 8 bytes. The total length of the UDP user datagram is 6553 bytes. Minimum length of this UDP user datagram is 8 bytes because it should mandatorily cover the header of 8 bytes. The data can be of 0 bytes. The UDP header has got 4 fields: source port number, destination port number, total length field and checksum field. Each field here is of 16 bits. The total length specifies the length of the UDP header plus the length of the data. And the IP datagram has got header followed by data. In this data part of the IP datagram, the UDP datagram is encapsulated. The IPv4 header is variable in size from 20 bytes to 60 bytes. And the total length of IP datagram according to the total length field available in the IPv4 header is 65535 bytes, out of which the data length can be 65535 minus 20 bytes because the IPv4 header should have minimum 20 bytes. But if the IPv4 header is varied between 20 to 60 bytes, then the data included in the IP datagram can vary from 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes. So this is the space left out in the data part of IP datagram to encapsulate the UDP datagram. So maximum length of the UDP datagram, though theoretically it is 65535 bytes, it should be lying between 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes so that it can be encapsulated at the network layer in the IP datagram. Because UDP datagram at transport layer is encapsulated in IP datagram at the network layer. And IP datagram specifies that the data length can be maximum between the range 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes according to the variation in the header size. Now, if this is the limitation for the data length at the IP datagram, the UDP datagram length should be lying in between this range. Though the maximum length of the UDP datagram can be 65535 bytes, but practically the maximum length of the UDP datagram should have the length between 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes so that it can be encapsulated in the IP datagram having the variable size of header from 20 bytes to 60 bytes. Now the first question asked to us is, what is the minimum size of a UDP datagram? Now minimum size of a UDP datagram is obviously based on the header size. The header size is fixed in UDP, which is of 8 bytes. So minimum size of UDP datagram is 8 bytes because the header part must be carried in communication. Header includes the source port number, destination port number, total length and checksum. So without the header part communication, without the presence of all bytes in the header part, the communication will be meaningless. So the header part of 8 bytes should be carried in the UDP datagram. So minimum size of UDP datagram is 8 bytes. Next question is, what is maximum size of a UDP datagram? Now maximum size of UDP datagram theoretically is 65535 bytes. Just we have discussed this. But practically the maximum size of UDP datagram is much smaller than this, that is much smaller than 65535 bytes, because this UDP datagram is encapsulated in IP datagram, and IP data should have the length between 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes, because the header of IP is varying between 20 to 60 bytes. If the header size of IPv4 is 20 bytes, then the data length can be 65515 bytes, and if the header length of IPv4 is 60 bytes, then the data length can be 65475 bytes. So the range of data can be from 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes, and this is the limitation for the UDP datagram length, because this UDP datagram is encapsulated in the data part of IP datagram at the network layer. So though theoretically the maximum size of UDP datagram is 65535 bytes, practically the maximum size of UDP datagram is much smaller than 65535 bytes. That is, it is between 65475 to 65515 bytes, as it is encapsulated in the IP datagram at the network layer, having maximum size of 65535 bytes. Now the third question is, what is the minimum size of the process data that can be encapsulated in a UDP datagram? Very simple. The process data is carried in the data part of the UDP datagram. The UDP datagram should have minimum 8 bytes of header, but the process data can be of 0 bytes, because data can be 0 bytes. It is mandatory to carry 8 bytes of data in UDP user datagram, which is meant for the header, but the data can be of 0 bytes, and that's why the smallest size of the process that can be encapsulated in UDP datagram is 0 bytes. And the last question is, what is the maximum size of the process data that can be encapsulated in a UDP datagram? Now, the maximum size of process data that can be encapsulated in UDP datagram is the total length of this UDP datagram minus the header length, that is 65535 minus 8 bytes. 65535 bytes of total length minus 8 bytes of header, that is 65527 bytes theoretically. So maximum size of the process data that can be carried in UDP user datagram is 65527 bytes theoretically, but practically it is much smaller than this, as the UDP datagram is encapsulated in the IP datagram at the network layer, having the maximum size of 65535 bytes. And just now we have discussed the limitation for the data length at the transport layer in the UDP datagram, that the data length at the transport layer in the UDP datagram should be from 65475 bytes to 65515 bytes. But the out of this, the header is of 8 bytes. So if we subtract the 8 bytes of header from this range, then the range left out for maximum size of the process data is 65515 bytes minus 8 bytes and 65475 bytes minus 8 bytes. So the maximum size of the process data can lie between 65467 bytes to 65507 bytes. Thus this completes the example. Thank you.